How to turn off auto reply messages on your Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to turn off auto reply messages on your Facebook page, you are in the right place. In order to do that, you need to install an app that says Business Suite. You need to simply head over to your App Store or Play Store and then you need to install Business Suite app. Now that you have installed Business Suite, you need to simply go ahead and tap on it to open. And once you are in the home, you need to simply go ahead and tap on inbox option over here. Now that you're in the inbox, you can see the three dots located in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you will see the several options. Here, you need to simply go ahead and tap on automations. Now you can see an option that says instant reply, which is turned off. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that. Now, if the instant reply is turned on, here you can go ahead and customize your messages like, "Hi, thanks for contacting us." You can go ahead and edit your message just like this. And if you don't want this to happen, if you don't want your page to auto reply to the messages, you need to simply go ahead and toggle this off. And once you do that, you need to tap on save. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.